What's up guys, welcome to your 19th JavaScript tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys a very useful tool when working with objects, and that's the indexOf. And what this does is when you have a long string, it finds the first occurrence of whatever it is you're looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and make this string a little longer. I'm going to go, hello Bob, my name is Susie. And what you do is, instead of changing the value, what we're going to do is look for the first occurrence of whatever we want to look for in a string. So let's say we want to look for when the word Bob starts. So instead of putting your whatever you're going to change in right here, such as font color, you want to type in the word indexOf, and in these parameters you're going to want to find whatever it is you're looking for. So right now, let's look for Bob. So it's going to go ahead and type in Bob. Let's go ahead and save this, and I'll show you guys what it does. Right now, it gives you the number 6, and you're thinking, alright, what does this mean? Well, what this does is we say that Bob starts on the 6th letter of the string. And remember, we start in computer language, we start counting at 0. So it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Space counts as a character. 5, 6. That's when it starts. Now, let's say we want to do something else. Let's type in Susie. Now, if we saved it and went and looked, see 21. Why? I won't count it out this time for you. It'll take too long. Because if you count all these, Susie starts with the 21st character. And remember to count your spaces as characters and start with 0. But let's say we had something that wasn't even in this string, like Mikey. So what would happen if we save that? And as you can see, Mikey isn't in the string anywhere. So if we save that and refreshed, it will give you a -1. And what this does is, this is JavaScript's way of telling you that this is false and there is no value of Mikey in here. So this can be useful whenever you're programming and you want to make sure that you have a string of text and you want to make sure that someone's name or something is included. And if it gives you a -1, then you can tell it not to run the program. And it's just a pretty useful way of verifying stuff, which we'll get into later. But study this, and again, this is called the indexOf, and it's a useful way for searching out things and finding where placements begin in strings. So thanks for watching, and go to my website, autolanechat.com, and join it. Thanks.